If you ever want to send or receive a file from a device on your Staylink server, the way you do that is open up your Staylink administrator, go to your connections list, and then find the device in your connections list whose files you're looking to manipulate. If you right-click on that connection and go down to the File option, it will allow you to either send a file to a device or receive a file from a device. We'll do a send first. When I select Send, it's going to ask me for two things. The first thing it asks me for is a local file name. That's the name of the file that I want to send to the device. In this case, I'll go to my desktop and select a test text file. When I hit Open, it's also going to ask me for a remote file name. Now, if you leave it as is, it will transfer this file to the Program Files directory, but you can also set a directory path as well. For now, I'll just leave this as is and leave the file name the exact same. And then all I have to do is hit the Send File button and it will transfer that file from my computer to the device. Now, the other way to do the exact same thing is to actually open up a directory. In this case, I'll go to the desktop. To lay it on top of your connections list and then actually drag that file onto the connection, and it will automatically fill in all that information. Then I simply hit Send to Device, and it lets me know when the transfer is complete. To get a file from a device, it's sort of the same thing. Just right-click on the connection, go File, Receive from Device. It's going to ask me where I want to put that file on my computer. In this case, I actually have a testing folder. And then I'm actually going to pull the exact same file that I just sent. Test text.txt. When I hit receive, it will pull that file from the device and put it onto my computer inside my testing folder, right there. Now, there are two caveats when doing this. One is that this trick works great for small files. Once the files get fairly large, though, I would recommend that you switch over to our software provisioning option. The second thing that you need to be aware of is that the device needs to be awake in order for this to work. Other than that, everything else should work just as I've demonstrated.